So guys, I finished potting up my foxwoods I had left over there. So altogether I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 45. I got 45 of them, so that'll make it. I did step on that one. I broke the top out of it. So I'm debating on let it grow or pull it out. We'll see. Went up on the hill and got my lavenders. I put the silver ones here. And the others, I put one here and the other two here. So guys, I put this lavender here. I put 2 of them here and 1 over there. Anarch. Put the 3 silver ones here. My car is coming out moving. And I added these pentas, I think's how you pronounce it. They're an annual, and I love them. I think they're my favorite annual. And this is like the one out front, but this one has a smaller bloom with a little more ruffle on the top. Got my host out and got this bush moved down the hill. And I tied up my red bud. Got my wind chime down here. Didn't find what I was looking forward to. Stake this tree up, so we just drove a hole in the ground. Went and got some soft fabric and tied it up. We'll leave it this way for like 6 months and then we'll take it off and see how it's doing. So my garden here is starting to grow and then expand as I move stuff down the hill. We're supposed to get rain tonight and tomorrow, so hopefully by getting these moved today, they'll do good. The pumpkins are blooming out. And I brought those 2 containers down the hill to flank this door. I've got to get them trimmed. That cold spell hurt the new growth on them, but they've bounced back out pretty good. I gotta get them shaped up.